is a high-level programming language that uses intro instructions to take the computer how to perform a task.
Python is an easy-to-learn,
Python
powerful
is
programming
an easy
language.
to learn, powerful programming language. अच्छा, बहुत आसान
A
है.
language which is closer to the human language,
A
like
language
English, is known as a high-level language.
to the human language, like English, is known as a high-level language. अच्छा, English.
Python provides an easy approach to object-oriented programming.
Python provides an easy approach to object-oriented programming.
Object-oriented is an approach used to write programs.
To write program.
Python is a free and open-source language.
Python is a free and open source
That
language.
is, you can read, modify and distribute the source code of Python
That
scripts.
is, you can read, modify. चल झूठा झूठ बोल रहा है साला. Modify किया जा सकता है, distribute the source code of Python and script.
It was developed by Guido van Rossum and was released in 1991.
अच्छा, इसको बनाने वाला Guido van Rossum बनाया गया था 1991
We would
में.
learn about object-oriented programming later.
We would learn about object-oriented programming later. Oh, why? Who developed Python? Guido van Rossum. ये छोटा सा सवाल पूछने हैं.
Python finds its application in various domains.
Where is Python used?
Let's see some specific scenarios where Python is used.
Python find its application in various domain. तो applications को हेरने में. Let's see some specific scenarios where Python is used.
Python is used to create web applications.
Python is used to create a web application.
Python is used in development.
Python is used in game development.
Python is also used to create desktop applications.
Python is also used to create desktop application.
Python also finds its applications in machine learning and data science.
Machine learning and data science.
First, we write instructions in English-based Python language.
पहले सोर्स कोड डालना पड़ेगा, फिर इंटरप्रेटर, फिर आउटपुट. फर्स्ट we write instructions in English-based Python language.
Python is an interpreted language, so there is no need of compiling them.
Interpreted language, so there is no need of compiling them.
Python programs run directly through source code.
Python program run directly through source code.
The source code is converted into intermediate bytecode and then into the native language of computer internally by Python interpreter.
Code and then into the native language of computer internally by Python.
The code is executed and the output is presented.
The code is executed and the output is presented. We write introduction in English-based Python language. Yes. Which of the following is not a feature of Python? Free and open source. What? अच्छा ये सोर्स होगा, फीचर्स पूछ रहा है। कैपिटलाइज्ड लैंग्वेज, इंटरप्रिएटेड लैंग्वेज, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड। इंटरप्रिएटेड लैंग्वेज कहाँ पे? कंपाइल्ड लैंग्वेज। पाइथन का यूज क्रिएट एंड डाटा साइंस तो सभी में किया जाता है। What is the function of an interpreter? Byte computer language. Loading, getting video ready.
Are you about coding? There is a huge range of programming languages to choose from.
Python.
Have you ever heard about Python? Python is a programming language that was created by Van Rossum. He named it after the television show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Why Python? Python has a simple look and feel, similar to the English language. Python as a whole can be used to any sphere of development, mainly web applications, game development, machine learning, and robotics. Python is available to everyone for free and can be modified and redistributed. Python is used on various platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and more. Let's see how commands which we write in English are understood by the computer. This can be explained in 4 simple steps. First, the Python program gets executed directly from the code. Then, the code is converted into an intermediate bytecode. Bytecode is then converted into the machine language by the Python interpreter. This machine language is only understood by the computer. Finally, the code gets executed.
Okay. Continue. Next. इंट्रोडक्शन था यार, काट ना कुछ आसानी से पढ़ लिया मैं तो, टॉप कर लिया मैंने। बस कुछ इसमें पढ़ाया गया होगा नीचे है। सिर्फ फर्स्ट पाइथन प्रोग्राम, फिर स्टोरिंग डाटा इन पाइथन।
A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer to perform a specific task.
What is a program? A program is a set of instructions that tell the computer कुछ दिक्कत तो नहीं, computer to perform specific task.
A programming language is the language used to create programs.
A programming language is the language used to create programs.
In this course, we will be using Python to give instructions to the computer.
In this course, we will be using Python to give introduction to the computer.
This means I can make my computer do anything.
This means I can make my computer do anything.
Everything involves giving instructions.
Yeah, to its limit. Everything involves giving introductions.
For e.g., when you click on the play button on a media player and the music starts playing.
For e.g., when you click on the play button on a media player and the music starts playing.
There is a program working behind the scene which tells the computer to turn on the music when the play button is clicked.
There is a program working behind the scene which tells the computer to turn on the music when the play button is clicked. Which of these you think might have involved प्रोग्राम अभी अभी तक तो नहीं बताया था ना। अबे रोवर सेंडिंग ग्रेविटी रोवर टू मार्स ऑटोमेटिक लोकेशन डिटेक्शन बाय योर फोन भी यही होगा। ये तो 24 होना चाहिए। ओ 4 20 बे ऑल ऑफ वो होगा स्केलेटर। अबे पाइथन से ही कोड किया गया था। व्हाट यार, हमको तो यकीन नहीं ना हो रहा।
In no mood to break traditions and rituals followed through the years.
In no mood to break tradition and rituals followed through the years.
Let's start with a Hello World program, usually the first program learned when studying a language.
Usually the first program learned when study a language.
We want to display Hello World on the output screen. We want to display Hello World, but how?
बताओ कैसे, लेकिन कैसे?
But how? Let's see.
Let's see, देखो इधर will देखने के लिए
To tell the computer to write on the screen, we use the
to
print
tell the
statement.
computer to write on the screen. Print. We use the print statement.
It is a built-in function in Python to display things on the screen. A built-in function is a function which is predefined and can be used directly.
Used directly.
Exactly like the batter which your mom uses to prepare pancakes.
Pancakes.
Whatever we want to display needs to be written inside brackets and enclosed within double quotes. So, to display Hello World,
अबे यार,
yippee! You just wrote your first Python program.
I want to spread.
Comment are pieces of code which are ignored by the Python interpreter.
Comment in Python. Oh, comment are piece of code which are ignored by the Python interpreter.
Comments are written to make source. Python supports single-line comments, meaning that they can cover only one line. Anything written following hash is considered a single-line comment in Python.
This is a comment in Python. स्टार्ट से नहीं तब क्वेश्चन वर्ड से होता है। व्हाट व्हाट हैशटैग से ही होता है। प्रिंट प्लस ln, प्रिंट प्लस ln तो शायद उसका है, प्रिंट आउट होना चाहिए इसका। प्रिंट आउट ये प्रिंट ओनली प्रिंट। Following statement that describe a program. A language used to give introduction to computer. Anything written on a computer, a way of solving problem, set of instructions that tell to perform specific task. अच्छा, भी सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम भी कर सकते हो. सेट इंट्रोडक्शन दैट द परफॉर्म द किसी स्पेसिफिक टास्क के लिए. ये जाहिर सी बात है नहीं होगा, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर वो रोबोट का काम है. लैंग्वेज यूज टू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शन टू कंप्यूटर. अबे होना तो यही चाहिए. स्पेसिफिक कास्ट.
We learned a program is a set of instruction. Print function can be used to write the text